Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads video tutorial. Today we're going to go through bidding strategies, how to create a bidding strategy and how to apply a bidding strategy. There are two ways to do it, but before we go there, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And off we go. So we log into our Google Ads account. Now, for those of you who are using the old interface, option number one, you're going to click on any of your campaigns one by one. Then you're going to click on edit. And then you're going to say, I want to change my bid strategy. And here you're going to select the bid strategy that you want to apply. Now, a couple of things about bid strategies. Target CPA means target cost per acquisition is a bid strategy that allows you to restrict the cost per acquisition. So I want to get sales for up to $40. Every time I spend a maximum of $40, I want to get a sale or a lead. So if you have some sort of, let's say, absolute target, then target CPA is a good strategy to use. For those of you who are into e-commerce, target return on ad spend. If you are measuring revenue, then you may say, for every $1 I spend, I want to get $2 back. So target return on ad spend is for you. If all you want is to maximize clicks, to get as many clicks as possible, obviously maximize clicks is for you. Maximize clicks is a strategy that is not conversion driven. So the system will give you clicks. It will not care what happens next. Maximize conversions means I want to get as many conversions as possible. What is the difference between maximize conversions and target CPA? Maximize conversions is a strategy that the system will not take into account your cost per acquisition. So if the system can get you a conversion for $1,000, it's going to do it. Target CPA is going to apply some sense in terms of the cost per acquisition. So that's the difference. You can also have a hybrid strategy. You can select maximize conversion strategy and you can apply target CPA, which is really great option. So you say to the system, I want as many conversions as possible, but take into account my goal also. Then you have maximize conversion value, which means the system will try to maximize the revenue that you are getting for those of you who are into e-commerce. And then target impression share, that's only for people who want visibility. Visibility doesn't mean sales. Visibility, sorry, doesn't mean clicks. Visibility means you're going to show up. Whether someone clicks and buys or not, it's not the algorithm's problem if you select target impression share. So you can say I want to appear anywhere in the results for, let's say, 90% of the time, for example, or I want to appear in the top of results or the absolute top of results. What is the difference between top of results versus absolutely top of results page? Top of results means I want to appear in the first 1, 2, 3, 4 results. Absolute top means position number 1. That's what absolute top of results basically means. And then you can actually give here your percentage. So that's the different bidding strategies. Then you select the strategy that you like. For example, target CPA or let's say maximize clicks. And then you click apply and that's it. This is option number one, to create and apply a bidding strategy. Option number two, you're going to go to tools and settings. You're going to go to bid strategies under your share library. Once you come here to bid strategies, you're going to click the plus symbol. And here you're going to create a portfolio bid strategy. What is the difference between a portfolio bid strategy and what we did before? That a bid strategy you're going to create here can be applicable to more than one campaign at once. For example, if I create here a test CPA strategy and I save, I give a target CPA of, let's say, 50 UAE dirhams, for example, and I save. Then what I'm going to do now with this portfolio bid strategy is I'm going to go back to my campaigns and I can apply this bid strategy to more than one campaign at once. So you have a group of campaigns that they share a common goal. You can select all of them. You can click on edit. Then you're going to say, I want to change the bid strategy. You're going to click here. Now you're going to select the bid strategy that you want to apply, meaning the type of strategy, target CPA, maximize conversions, and you're going to click here, use existing portfolio strategy. And now here you're going to select your portfolio strategy and you're going to apply this to your campaign. And that's how you can create and apply a bid strategy in Google Ads. Next thing, some of you will say all these things are great, but I'm using the new interface. So all of us at some point we use the new interface. So let's actually go to the new design and see how all these things are done. So when you go to the new design basically here, so in order to create a portfolio bid strategy, you need to go to tools from the left hand side, and then under tools there's going to be this option basically here that is going to say budgets and bidding. So tools on the left hand side, and then this option here that you are going to find is called budgets and bidding, and under this option you are going to see bid strategies. And from there, to create a portfolio bid strategy, the steps are the same. You're going to click on the plus symbol, create your portfolio bid strategy. If you want to apply your portfolio bid strategy, or you want to create a bid strategy directly for any of your campaigns, you're going to come to your left hand side, click on campaigns, then on the next column again you're going to select campaigns. Same drill, you're going to select your campaign, click on edit, and then you're going to say I want to change the bid strategy. Either you're going to apply an individual campaign specific bid strategy, or you're going to click on use a portfolio bid strategy and you are going to assign the portfolio bid strategy that you created. So the only difference between the old and the new interface, actually it's not the only difference, just to be fair with Google, but the main difference between the old and the new interface is that they moved the menu from the top to the left, and they made a couple of changes when it comes to where certain information are. For example, in the old interface, if we are to go back to the previous design, tools and settings on the top, under shared library you can find bid strategies. However, in the new interface, tools, no tools and settings, and then we go and we click on budgets and bidding, and then we can find here bid strategies. That's for those of you who like to use the new interface, or your account doesn't allow you perhaps to go back to the old interface. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Have a great day in any time zone, and see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.